The Old Fashioned is the quintessential cocktail. It's the original cocktail and probably the most consumed around the world. But how can we turn it into a Christmas cocktail? What's up, home bartenders? Today we're making 4 Christmas variations of the Old Fashioned. I'm sure you're gonna find the perfect one that you can enjoy on Christmas Eve. Are you ready? Let's do it. We're gonna start with a gingerbread Old Fashioned. Fill a rocks glass with ice. If you have a large cube of ice, that's ideal. I don't, but it's okay. I'm using rye whiskey, but any whiskey will do. 2 ounces. And then I'm using half an ounce of my gingerbread liqueur. You can check out the recipe for that. If you don't have that, a gingerbread syrup will work just as good. It might just be a little sweeter. When it comes to bitters, don't feel like you have to use the exact bitters. I'm using Ango and these maple walnut bitters, but I encourage you to experiment with different bitters, but if all you have is Angostura, that'll work just fine. All right, give it a good stir, stir, stir. For garnish, we're gonna do an orange peel, traditional, and a little gingerbread man. The gingerbread Old Fashioned, and yeah, my gingerbread guy is looking pretty lame. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. That wonderful rye whiskey up front, and then on the back end, all those wonderful molasses, ginger, cinnamon, all those spices. It's not overly sweet, but you get all those wonderful ingredients. This is a banger right here. Oh, I love this. Cheers. The Candy Cane Old Fashioned. You could also call it the Peppermint Old Fashioned, starting with an ice in our rocks glass, 2 ounces of bourbon, using bourbon on this one. But again, any whiskey you have will work. Half an ounce of peppermint schnapps. You could use a canned amount, but it has less of that kind of candy cane cooling sensation. So if you want the proper candy cane flavor, use the peppermint. Angostura bitters and cocoa bitters. It's going to give a little hint of chocolate. Lovely. All right. Give it a good stir, 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 crazy face. And we're gonna garnish with an orange peel, of course, and a candy cane. Peppermint Old Fashioned or Candy Cane Old Fashioned. Cheers. Ooh. Wow, that peppermint kicks in really quickly. You can start with some bourbon, nice sweet whiskey bourbon flavor, and then immediately punch with that cooling sensation from the peppermint. The chocolate's doing a little something. If you wanted more, if you really want this to mint chocolate Old Fashioned, just add like a 1/4 ounce of creme de cacao. That'll give you more chocolate flavor. I think it's fine with the cocoa bitters. I do have some chocolate flavor. It's just not intensely chocolate. That's really enjoyable. Cheers. Hey guys, we are making 4 Christmas Old Fashions that you can enjoy at Christmas time this year, like this one here, the Candy Cane Old Fashioned. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so you get all of our awesome Christmas time videos. Hit that little bell so you're notified when we release new content. We got 2 more. Back to it. All right, the Turtles Old Fashioned. This one inspired by my favorite Christmas time chocolates, Turtles. Starting with 2 ounces of bourbon. Once again, use whichever whiskey you want. 1/4 ounce of my homemade caramel liqueur. I'll leave a link to that recipe. Super easy to make. And then a 1/4 ounce of Pecan Orgeat. So this one came to me from my friend Jess at Savidge Kitchen. I'll leave a link to her products in the description. Finally, a couple dashes of cocoa bitters. And we're gonna do these maple walnut bitters once again. Give that a good stir, stir, stir. And we're gonna garnish with an orange peel and a Turtles, of course. The Turtles Old Fashioned. Cheers. Gonna get the chocolate out of the way. Oh my God. Definitely one of the sweetest Old Fashioned you'll have, but wow, is that ever good. Starts off with the bourbon, like any Old Fashioned, and then you get intense caramel and nutty, and even chocolate. We only use the cocoa bitters, but that chocolate, I did give it a little extra, 3 or 4 dashes, but those cocoa bitters are giving it a nice chocolatey flavor. It really does feel like you just crumbled up some turtles and put them in there. That's phenomenal. Wow. This is a great one if you want something sweet, but still more of a stiff drink, so it's not just overwhelmingly sugary, but this is phenomenal. For our last one here, the Orange Cranberry Old Fashioned. So I recently made a Cranberry Old Fashioned. This one here, we're just gonna add a little bit of orange flavor to it, starting with 2 ounces of rye whiskey, using another Canadian whiskey. Then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of Grand Marnier for that orange flavor and cognac richness. It's gonna be delicious. All right, 1/4 ounce of my homemade cranberry syrup. I'll link to that recipe as well. For our bitters, we're gonna do orange bitters and cardamom bitters. I mentioned in the last video that these are absolutely amazing and they add a wonderful perfumey, piney flavor. So if you can get cardamom bitters, highly recommended. All right, orange peel, rosemary sprig, cranberries. Orange Cranberry Old Fashioned. So my last video of the top 10 Christmas cocktails, I made the Cranberry Old Fashioned. This one here, it's basically the same drink. We just half the amount of cranberry syrup and then added some Grand Marnier for a little extra orange kick. Cheers. Oh man. Ooh, that is nice. I love those cardamom bitters. I think I said I had the same reaction in my other video with the Cranberry Old Fashioned. The cardamom bitters add such a wonderful perfumey flavor. It's not going to be for everyone, but I think it's phenomenal. You also get a little bit of aroma from that rosemary sprig. I put it there mainly decorative because it just looks more Christmassy, but it does add a little bit of aroma and it is nice. Now, I'm torn on whether I prefer this one or just the standard Cranberry Old Fashioned. That one has more cranberry flavor, obviously, because we're doubling the amount, but this one has a nice kind of orange richness from the Grand Marnier. And definitely, if you got Grand Marnier, use that. Use a Pierre Ferrand if you can. I would not use Cointreau. I don't think it's gonna have, because it's not brandy based, it's not gonna have that nice richness that you want. Oh, that's good. All right, guys, we made 4 awesome Christmas variations of the Old Fashioned. Now we have to rate them. So I'm gonna give you from my least favorite to my favorite, and I'm gonna start with, in 4th place, the Candy Cane Old Fashioned or Peppermint Old Fashioned. It's good. When I'm thinking about candy cane flavor, I'm not really thinking of an Old Fashioned. So, you know, to me, it's a little bit of a clashing flavor, but I'm not gonna say it's bad. In 3rd place, gonna give it to the Gingerbread Old Fashioned. Kind of the same situation going on here, whereas when I think of gingerbread flavor, I want a more kind of desserty drink, you know, like the gingerbread White Russian that I made in my recent video. So in an Old Fashioned, it's good, just not the flavor I would go for right away. In 2nd place, gonna give it to the Turtles Old Fashioned. That one works surprisingly well. Even though I said like these two kind of, I don't think about desserty, it seems to contradict. However, yeah, that one is just phenomenal and I will gladly put it in 2nd place because those flavors work remarkably well and remarkably taste exactly like a Turtles chocolate. And in 1st place, gonna give it to the Orange Cranberry Old Fashioned. I still haven't decided whether I prefer that one or the plain Cranberry Old Fashioned that I made in my other compilation video from last week. But regardless, they're both phenomenal. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Do you have another Christmas variation on the Old Fashioned? If you do, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see my video on the top 10 Christmas cocktails, I made that compilation. You can check out this video right here. Otherwise, we have an entire playlist of Christmas cocktails that we made throughout the years, and you can check out that playlist right here. Otherwise, we will see you in the next video. We are getting close to Christmas, but we still got a couple weeks to go. Cheers, guys.